Unit 3, Section 8.2 Worked Examples. Determine the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the indicated polygon, a nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides. The sum of the measures of interior angles is given by the formula n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. In this case, the nonagon has 9 sides, so 9 minus 2 is 7. And so the sum of the angles is going to be 7 times 180. Or 1260 degrees. Determine the measure of an interior angle of the named regular polygon. And then we have a part B. We'll do part A first. A pentagon, it's a pentagon, has 5 sides. So the sum of the measures of the interior angles is going to be 5 minus 2, or 3. 3 times 180. 540 degrees. Now the question asks us to find the measure of an individual angle. And since it's a regular polygon, each angle has the same measure. So we divide the sum of the angles by 5, because there's 5 angles, 5 sides and 5 angles. So 540 divided by 5. So each angle measures 108 degrees. If a side is extended, find the measure of the supplementary angle to this angle. So we're going to take 180 and subtract 108 degrees to find the measure of the supplementary angle. .72 degrees. Find the unknown side lengths in similar triangles PQR and ABC. Since the triangles are similar, the ratios of the corresponding sides are in proportion. We can set up the proportion to find the lengths of sides A and B. We'll work with side A first. And we notice that the proportion of 60 to 50, so the hypotenuse to the hypotenuse, must be equal to A to the corresponding side length on the other triangle of 30. Cross multiply, simplify the left side, divide both sides by 50. So the length of side A is 36. And for side B, we'll set up the proportion. In this case, B will be proportional to the length of side 40 in the other triangle. Cross multiply, simplify, and we're going to divide 2400 by 50. So side B is 48. Use similar triangles to solve. A person who's 5 feet tall is standing 144 feet from the base of a tree, and the tree casts a 156-foot shadow. The person's shadow is 12 feet in length. What is the height of the tree? Let X be the height of the tree. And notice that the length of the tree shadow is actually 144 feet plus 12. And we can set up the proportion. X is to 5 as 156, I had to add these two lengths together, is to 12. Cross multiply, divide both sides by 12. And so the height of the tree is 65 feet.